الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. بإذن الله تعالى, today we will continue with what? What was the topic of last meeting? What was the topic of last meeting? Anyone?
sorting.
ها؟ الحقي نفسك ارجعي.
ايوه معلش السيرش قصدي السيرش.
انا عارف they are confusing. Searching, sorting, all the time will be together. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so today we'll continue inshallah with the searching. In searching today we will concentrate more. Most of the class will be on KMP. On KMP. The KMP deals with, طبعا again هتكلم هنا generally, okay, deals with string searching. بمعنى if I'm looking for a word or a sentence في PowerPoint, all of you last time told me Control F will help, so I will search for a text. تمام. حتى لو تلاحظوا هنا matching case, finding the whole words, match إلى آخره. تمام. كشيدة، أحد يعرف الكشيدة؟ You know the كشيدة? Okay, so if I search for AOU, find next. We couldn't find what you are looking for. We will see it today inshallah. طيب, if I am looking for مثلا binary. So it is found. Binary, find next. Binary, find next, and so on. So how the process of searching for binary comes in sentence, in paragraph, okay, and so on. So today inshallah we will get a nice idea, nice algorithm, very famous algorithm actually, اللي هو KMB. KMB is an abbreviation, the first letter of 3 scientists. تخيلوا 3 علماء كبار، تمام، هم اللي وصلوا لهذا الالغوريثم KMB. تمام، هذه ببساطه الآلية. Then we will look at the binary tree إن شاء الله بإذن الله تعالى, and we will see also how can we deal with it in a way or another. طبعا هذه AVL tree ما حناخذها, هي self study. Okay, you will just read it, we will not need it inshallah, it will not come in any place. Okay, let's check what is meant by KMB. KMB, you will have a text. You will have a text. طبعا احنا just for the example purpose, that is the text. Then you will have pattern, or let's say that the text that we are searching for, which is that. So we have text, essay, article, and so on, and we will search for that one. What are the applications? Any application. Searching the keywords in a file, like what I did. Searching engines like Google. طبعا احنا are they using KMB or not? I don't know, but we are talking about the idea itself. So if you understand the idea, then you can make a searching engine. Or searching database. I'm looking for student's name, I'm looking for student nationality, I'm looking for student address. So I need to know all the customers living in Riyadh. So I will search database with a keyword or a pattern Riyadh. وهكذا دوالك. طبعا there are many algorithms, لكن KMB يعني actually is the most famous one, the most famous. Terminologies. S, تمام, that is S اللي هو string أو التكست اللي نحن عندنا. What is the length? That is the length 7 characters. Substrings, anything in between. هذا هنا substring, that is a substring, that is إلى آخره. تمام. subsequences deleting مثلا أو doing anything that will cause something. يعني if I delete that T مثلا it will cause something that now I have new substrings. أول ما كان عندي مثلا if I delete C, so now GCTT, but once I delete C2 it will be GTT. It's like I'm looking for مثلا inform. So if I find the word information, so is it going to be match or not? هنا depends. هنا اللي قلناها قبل شوية. Am I matching the whole words only, or it can be sub of the sub? Okay. So there are so many ideas. طبعا احنا here we'll talk inshallah about the general one. Then we have prefix. What does it mean, prefix? Prefix. When I say prefix, what does it mean? Prefix and suffix. Anyone? Prefix. الجزء الأول. Okay. If you have a string, so that could be a prefix. That one could be a prefix. Suffix, which is الجزء الثاني. ما دام أنت قلت الجزء الأول, so this is the okay, which is the end. That will end something. طبعا sometimes it can be mixed. I can say that this is prefix, and also I can say that this is suffix. End of sentence, beginning of the sentence. ممكن تيجي تخلط. هو ضرب مثال هنا. لاحظوا AGCT is prefix. An example طبعا. Then CTTGA is a suffix. So started from here, CT. So CTTGA is suffix. That end sentence. طبعا هنا you will see now what is the benefit of that one. Okay. Now, today inshallah we will spend about 30 minutes or less to understand the idea of the KMP. Now, if I want to search for a text, now I am trying to find the word show, which is show. So if I use a brute force algorithm, مر عليكم الكلمة هذه brute force قبل كده؟ Have you ever seen this before? Brute force.
brute force attack.
يا سلام عليك. كيف البروت فورس اتاك؟ فاكراه ولا نكتفي بالجواب هذا؟ نكتفي؟
نسيت.
No problem. Okay. Do you remember long time ago when you were kids? وأنا معاكم. Okay. My father رحمة الله عليه he gifted me a Samsonite bag. شنطة كده مدرسية صغيرة Samsonite. وكان the most important thing اللي هي الأرقام السرية 3 digits. أحد فاكرها ولا ما جات ببالكم هذه؟ كده 3 أرقام موجودة لا حتى في نظم السفر وهذا 3. Now, if you forgot the key, the number that will open the bag, what do you do usually? You forgot the number. خلاص I don't remember the number. نكسرها. والله هذا good solution. broke it. good solution. في أحد عنده another solution؟ الأخت الكريمة اللي جاوبت. إيش قلت أنت؟ broke it. مرة شريرين أنتم. Okay. يا سلام. Exactly. نحاول نطلع كل الاحتمالات. So we will start doing the following. 0 0 0. طبعا imagine that one هنا right here. Okay, so 0 0 0. The bag is not opening. What is next? What is next? It could be. You can guess. But sometimes if you guess, that might waste your time unless you know that the number somewhere. Okay, so next will be 1 0 0 because that is 1 now. Next 2 0 0. Still not opening. So we will keep trying. So 300 until we reach what? 900. Still not opening. Then we'll go to the next. That is 9. So 10 will be like that. 0. Oh, keep going. What is the maximum number? What is the maximum? We have 3 digits. And I get your point. Exactly. And I get your point. Who said 1,000? I get your point. Because you will start from 000. You will keep trying until you reach to 999. So that is 1,000 try. I agree with you. But the maximum number is 999 because only 3 digits. 999. So that is the idea of the brute force. You keep trying. طبعا some hackers do that. Some crackers do that. Some intruders do that. If they want to know, مثلا I know that all of you having an اللهم صل على النبي قولوا يا رب email start by S. So now what is next? The student ID. So I can just keep trying. I know that here will be A or U. That what is the password? So I'll do the same. I will keep trying. طبعا there are some programs that do that. The same. So now you are trying to find text or pattern عفوا within a text. So that is the text. What is the text? A, G, C, C, T, A, T, T till the end. That is the text. So I'm trying to find A, G, C, G, G. Is there A, G, C, G, G in that text? صحيح. I agree with you. Few programs do that. I agree with you. صحيح. Okay. So now I need to find A, G, C, G, G in that text. So see what will happen. A matching. Alhamdulillah. Next. G matching. Excellent. C matching. C will fail. So that is not the text. So now I will start again from here. AG not matching. Then I will go to the next. AC not matching. AC not matching. AT not matching. AA matching. AA matching. But GT not matching. So I will take all the combinations. So do you think that I will reach? Let's see. Do we have A, G, C, G إلى آخره هنا مثلا that's A. So A, C, no, that A, G. A, G, excellent, T, no. Until you reach to the end and you will say it's not matching. That is the idea of the brute force always. It's working, by the way, but it will take big MNO of time. Because I am trying all the combination. It's like nested loop. يعني I take A وsearch, I take G وsearch, C وsearch. So it will take big O of MN. There is a website, nice website, وفي اللينك أعتقد هذا تبعه if I am not mistaken. Okay. لاحظوا معي. Now I have a text. هذا التكست. A, B, C إلى آخره. Well, I'm looking for that one. Do you think that I will find it or not? Just look at it now. Do you think that I will find it or not? Yes, no. Yes. طيب, let's see now. Let's see. I will show you the animation. Wallahi, it is good. يعني also, and I'm not KMB or naive, or you will understand it, inshallah, and you will know it, and you will pass the course, inshallah. I'm talking about the future. Can I come up with a better idea? شوفوا لاحظوا معي الآن. Step. A, B, C. So A compared with A, B with B, C with C. So they are okay. Now when you compare D with space, so failed, mismatch. The reason, I'm looking for A, B, C and so on. اللي هي مين هنا؟ A, B, C, D. Where in A, B, C space. هذه هي. So الأب هذه هي التكست which is this one. وهنا الباترن which is that one. So now D is not working, which is this one. What is next step? See now, we'll start here. So from the first time, A is not matching B, so forget. Step AC, not matching. A will blank space, not matching. Now look at this one. AA, okay. BB, okay. CC, okay. DD, okay. AA, okay. BB, okay. So from here to here is matching. A, B, C, D, A, B, matching. Failed in the last one, D, blank. So now, what will happen in this brute force? It will start again, and I think you can guess now. Okay, it will match again between A and B. شوفوا. Fail. AC. Fail. AD. Fail. AA match. B match. C fail. So that's why it will take a long time. طبعا if it is an algorithm in control F, it will not that. يعني notice the time, it will go fast. But now you will compare it with the other one. You will compare it with that. So now AA not working, BB not working. Again, failed. Failed. Look now. Okay, 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 fail. Now, since all of these are okay, but I have to follow the rules. The rules say take it one by one. So it will again come here. Again, again, again. Okay, 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 okay. Alhamdulillah, match found. That's basically the idea of a brute force. طبعا you can try anything by the way. تمام؟ أنا I will say مثلا I love AOU. Do you love AOU؟ لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. Okay؟ طيب. لا إن شاء الله. أنا لحد اليوم أتذكر الجامعة اللي درست فيها لحد اليوم لما أفتح موقعها ولا شيء يجيني كده حنين لها والله. You will remember what I'm saying إن شاء الله. أوكي طبعا فترة الدراسة تكون فيها كده إرهاصات وشيء. أوكي I love AOU. Now I'm looking for AOU as pattern or as a word in I love AOU. So step not matching. خلاص. Next. Not matching. Not matching. Not matching. Not matching. Not matching. Not matching. Found. طبعا it could be also not found. It could be not found. How about if I just said AO? Do you think that will match? Yalla, yes, no. Do you think that it will match? Let's see. Step. No. Step. No. Failed. Fail. Okay. Now you will see. A matching A, O matching A, so count. So that is a way of searching as sum. As I told you, if I'm having information and inform. So you can ask مثلا in your program انه in my program I will ask the program with option مثلا معين انه no it must be whole word. So او sub word انت you will decide on that one. You will decide on that. Any question regarding a brute force? Is it clear? Any question? أي سؤال أي استفسار؟ Go ahead. بسم الله. The brute force pattern matching algorithm compares the pattern with text. So I'm comparing now AOU is it case sensitive؟ طيب برضه good question. لا اديني ثواني بس واشوف لك اياها ابشر. طبعا هي depends on your algorithm. تمام depends on your يعني is it must to match A capital with A capital لكن we'll see now البروجرام تبعنا يعني is it okay ولا لا. طيب so you are comparing between pattern and the text. That is the AOU. The text is I love AOU. For each this is very critical. For each possible shift relative to B until either match or you tried all and it's not there. It's not found. يعني for example, if I am matching now, I said I love AOU, but I'm looking for Khalid. For Khalid. Okay? Step. I reach now the end. So since you tried all ما اعرف ليش رايحه كذا خلاص now failed no more so still miss matching. Now بس عشان الاخ الكريم اللي سال is it accepting capital small sensitive يعني case sensitive انا اعتقد انه will accept لكن anyway يعني it can be solved as a grammar as an algorithm it can be solved. لا والله ما قبلها تصدق ايش انا ما جربت اقول كذا. اذا it will take that one. Now how can I accept it? How can I accept that one? اعطيتني طبعا الالجوريثم ما له علاقه بهذا الكلام كيس سنسيتيف. الالجوريثم is matching one by one ما له علاقه بالالجوريثم لكن انت you will decide. حتى هنا نحن انت شفتها الان من شويه you can decide the matching case and you can say no. Okay, you can match, you will decide on that one. So you can add it. لكن as algorithm no. So let's try capital A capital. شوفوا الفرق الان هنا برضه step. طبعا هنا حيماتش كاركتر باي كاركتر. ماتش خلاص اعتبرها لي. اذا هنا case sensitive. How can I make it not case sensitive? In the algorithm itself, okay, make an option, make whatsoever, انه ignore that one. So when you compare A with A, accept. That will not affect الالجوريثم ما له علاقه في الالجوريثم. That is if statement A equal A capital equal A small. Okay. الاخ اللي سال او الاخت اللي سالت. Now ممتاز. So brute force pattern matching will run in NM because it will go through all the characters, all in the text طبعا, all the characters in the pattern unless it is found. Unless it is found. So you will have that one and you will have that one, which will keep going asking. So it's comparing now between the two characters. If it is less than, if it is whatsoever إلى آخره. هذه ببساطة يعني ال idea of the brute force. And I think that is one is simple and it can be programmed easily. Okay. It will take طبعا two phases إلى آخره لكن نحن الآن our concern الفيز الأول array indicate the moving direction والثانية array to move match the string. في KMB algorithm اللي هي proposed by هذه من هنا جات الاسم نوث وموريس and برات في 1977. So how many years old طبعا اللي هي KMB algorithm كم عمرها او كم عمر الالجوريثم؟ تقريبا roughly لا تحسبوا كثير. تقريبا 44 years. Yeah. 44 years تقريبا. تخيلوا يا جماعة الخير, before 44 years 3 scientists came up with the algorithm. We today in 2021 we are still studying that algorithm. Okay, فأنا algorithm you will find it everywhere. Okay, if you don't understand it from Mr. Shaikhan, you will go to Mr. X. Okay, if you don't, Mr. X still not clear, you will go to the YouTube. Like, my point here is, can you come up with such algorithms? Can you think about algorithms? And I didn't read the team A, but I think team A will ask you about preparing or developing an algorithm. I think, okay. So now let's think about اللي هو KMB. الناس الثلاثة هذول اللي اخترعوا الالجوريثم. In the KMB, basically الآن let's make it very يعني simple one. They are trying avoiding comparing every single character. بمعنى if I have A's and خليها من عندي كمان هنا B و B and I'm looking for A B only. Is there A B in A B? طبعا yes, it is there. So let's search for it. See what will happen now. Now it will start from here. No, start from here. No, start from here. No. So now the idea of KMB, if there are some characters I have already searched for, so why should I search for that again? I should just skip as many as I can. Skip as many characters as I can. Okay? Then it will show me that طبعا we'll see the big O الآن. We'll see the big O. So it compares the pattern اللي هي الword to the text in left to right, but shifts هي المهمة هنا عندي. In the brute force it will go one by one, but shifts the pattern more intelligent than the brute force algorithm. So not necessary that I will go one after one. It might go 5 or 6 at once, 4 or 5 or whatsoever يعني at once. So the move or the shift here that will make the KMB better than the others who are living now for almost 44 years. When mismatch occurs between two characters, what is the most we can shift? That is the core of the algorithm. What is the most? Can I move 2 instead of 1? Yes. But can I move 3? Yes. But okay, I will take 3. It's better for me. Can I move 5? Yes. Can I move 6? No. So I will take the maximum one, which is 5. To avoid redundant, I know that A already compared, so why should I do it again? So I will redundant اللي هي ايش؟ تكرار, repeating, redundancy, comparisons. Now, the answer, the largest prefix, يعني البريفكس الآن. The largest prefix of a pattern that is a suffix of pattern. I will explain it in a while. Okay, the largest prefix is that the suffix of the same او وورد. خلينا نقول اوكي، حنشرحها الان كمان شوي ان شاء الله. اوكي، نوت او كي ام بي خلينا نختصرها. algorithm KMB pre-processes the pattern to find matches prefix of the pattern with the pattern itself. So we develop, create, make, draw what is called a failure function. A failure function. Then we will see how moves او how many moves we can make. طبعا هنا zero move zero. طبعا ما نقول zero يعني اللي هي 1 حتكون 1 1 2 3. The failure function is defined as the size of the largest prefix. The largest prefix of the pattern that is also a suffix of that pattern. Example, A. A, if it is alone, it will be 0 because there is no A before. No A before. B, still 0 because no B before. A, there is an A here. So you can make the move 1. A, then A. So since that is A, also you can make the move 1. Now, be careful here. Why is it 2? We have AB, and that one is AB. So, انتبهوا معايا. So, AB, that is 1, 2. Now it is 1, 2. طب why is it 3 هنا? Because in prefix we have ABA and also we have here ABA. So that is repeating. So if I search a text, it contains ABA, done, okay? Then I will start searching for the next ABA, failed مثلا. So should I repeat from the beginning? No. You will repeat from the place you started. اللي هي هنا. طيب I failed here. No need to continue from the beginning. So you will start from here. البي وهكذا دوالك. طبعا you will see it now practically. But just trying to يعني give you a concept theoretically. Then I will show you that practically. So now that means from where should I start? From where should I start? طيب. Forget, don't tell me I didn't understand it. Generally, the idea of the move, how many moves should I make? Clear or not clear? And also, if you don't understand one, ask. If you don't understand this one, ask me. But I'm talking generally الآن. The number of moves, is it clear or not? The concept, the idea itself. What is the difference between KMB and the brute force? Is it clear or not? Okay. Anyone else? It's not very clear. ممتاز. It's not very clear. طيب أنا what I want from you now, just understand the idea. إنه no need to start from the beginning every time. No need for that. This is my point. No need to start from the beginning every time. So if I have to move one after one, one by one, so el KMB, no. You will do that faster. So if it is possible to make jumps, no need to start. It's not necessary, no. If B is not matching, then I will start from, so if it's not matching, I will go here. not matching, I will come here. No, I can skip some of them. Let's see. طبعا I can use this one, but أنا يعني من التجربة كده I found this one is much better and easy to understand. Then you can go there. Links is available. You can take it and try it yourself. تمام? Let's look at the same one we looked a few minutes ago. The same one. Okay. I love AOU. كلكم زعلتوا مني. Okay. Now, I will do it now for both in front of you. That is naive, اللي هي الbrute force, that one is the KMB. The same. Exactly the same. تمام؟ طبعا عندنا حاجة اسمها الفيلر function. هذه اللي هي 001. I will explain it to you إن شاء الله. But let me run it first. Build the failure function. Build. خلاص. هشرحها لكم. Don't worry. I will explain it. But let's first see a difference between the two. That will make it easy, inshallah, for you to understand the idea. خلاص. Built. Now search. Okay. Now, in the first one, I will compare A with A. Matching. B matching fail. Okay, so 3 attempts failed in number 4. Let's look at that one. Same idea. ما أعرف إذا very clear عندكم ولا لا. شي now نرجع تاني. Step back, step back, step back. Okay. See now. Compare AA. Excellent. Okay. Matching. Step. Compare BB. Now it's matching. اللي هي بالريد. تابعوا الريد انتو. Okay. Matching. CC. Matching. Okay. Matching. Compare now D with black. أكيد not matching. Okay. Failure. So now, since they are not matching, in the first one, automatically, without thinking, it will say fail, start comparing again. And I start the first time from here, now start from here. So step, it will start from here. Look here. Failed. Now, where should I go? In the first one, I will bring A right here and compare A and B. In this one, say no. Consulting failure function. So, if we want to start the KMB, we have to build. Yes, you have to build. Excellent. Yes, you have to build. And I will show you how to build. Okay, now. Just I'll show you this one. We'll go for prayer. الظهر 10 minutes كده ونرجع إن شاء الله. Oh, now D you will compare it fail. Step forward because now consulting the failure. See now, you stopped last time as a correct right here in the C. As a correct in the C. So A B C. So that is the one. اللي هي السجستشن هنا. شوف السجستشن ايش هيعمل. لاحظوا معايا. So I will not start from B like that one. I will not go to the C like that one. I will not start from here like that one. لاحظتوا كيف هنا؟ It went directly skipped the two اللي هي البي والسي. The reason because that one هو يا سلام عليك يا سلام عليك exactly. شوف الآن أنا that's why I brought the practical هذا so I am sure that you will understand it very well exactly. So no need to to say AB, AC because it's already failed. So why should I compare it? See now, AA, again not matching. Again not matching. So it will now it will be very clear, inshallah. AA, excellent. BB, excellent. CC, excellent. DD, matching. AA, matching. BB, matching. D, not matching. Since it's not matching, I will go to the consulting the failure function. And if there is a D, alhamdulillah, done. Very clear, alhamdulillah. So we'll see ask the others. So now, since there is no matching, should I go from the beginning? No, not. So now consult the failure function. See what it says? Until here, it's excellent matching. So that B, يعني لاحظوا معايا 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6. So no need to start for the beginning. Make that move 2. Mean 2 هنا. Can anyone tell me what is 2 here? What is 2? Anyone can tell me?
The first AB and the second AB.
طيب, think about A, B, C. 1 2 3. Think about them. تمام? Look here now. Now, someone هنا will move to the place that there was a problem. لاحظوا معايا. صلوا على الحبيب. Think about it. We'll go pray and come back again. لاحظوا. شفتوا؟ 2. لأنه 2 it will go to the 1. So it means C will come here because A will be already matching. So I cannot go there. Maybe there is C هنا. Maybe. صح ولا لا? It could be C. So I can put that in my consideration because now I am just comparing. So I don't know what is there. So if there is C هنا عفوا, so ABC will work. ABC will work. So now, unfortunately, not matching. Step. Consult the failure. Now, stopped here. So what was the last one? That one. 1 2. شوفوا see هنا الديفرنس. The first time we took that B, اللي هي number 5, but this time we will took that B which is 0. So what does it mean 0 هنا? لاحظوا معايا. Step forward. So 0 will come in the place you stopped. لأنه هنا أنت خلاص done راحت. So it mismatching, it will go to the next. Now matching, 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 failed. See how many steps will take. Consult the failure. Now, where should I go? That is the fail. So the last one, okay, that one. So where should I go now? That is B. B2. So see now what will happen. Let's see هنا. طبعا واضح. consult B. شفتوا فين؟ سي راحت. In the place there was a failure. Now we are lucky enough إنه A, B already matched before. So now C, alhamdulillah, matching, D matching, A matching, B matching, D matching, found. لا not skip off. Step. تمام. Now comparing C, comparing D, comparing A, comparing B again, comparing D, match, 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 found in text. Now I will send you the link. Please try it. If you have already prayed, try it. هرسل لكم اياها في الشات هنا. Please try it. Okay? Please try it. وصل؟ Excellent. Okay? Inshallah. Let's take 10 minutes break ظهر and come back and take 1 or 2 examples. I think إنه إن شاء الله إنه that enough. If you try, بس we will explain how to build the failure function فقط لا غير. That's it. إن شاء الله. I think إن شاء الله you get the idea بإذن الله تعالى. تمام؟
اوكي
السلام.
اوكي مشيت الامور. از اوكي؟ اشتغل اللينك معاكم تمام ان شاء الله؟ Okay. Question before I start. I will continue the same subject طبعا لسه ما خلصنا. We'll continue. لسه بعضنا ما جاوا شكلهم. Ready? Are you ready? طيب ممتاز. إذا let's go. Let's go. Okay. Now, the most important things that it moves with comparisons, and you saw that, and you have also the link, and you can try it by yourself. Inshallah, it's not difficult. The point now, how can I build a failure function based on that? I will know how to move. Other than that, it's very simple, inshallah. So let's see. الآن, if I said build the failure function, now I have that one. So build the failure function. See what will happen. Okay. Now I have A, B, C, D, A, B, D. Okay. A, B, C, D, A, B, D. The first one all the time will be 0 because there is no place to go before. So now what is next? The next is B. So step forward. Okay. لاحظتوا الآن it will be 0. طبعا هنا you tell me what when you compare between A and A, it's like matching. B and B matching. Now, what will happen if you go to the next? There is nothing before B, so nothing to move. A and B not matching, so where should I go? You will go from the beginning, from the 0, because no place to return except that one. Step forward. It will be clear, don't worry. Next, AC, again, not matching. So you will say C, because A, B, C, no previous similar to it. ما في previous. There is no previous. متفقنا احنا prefix, suffix. So now A و B و C. Is there a suffix similar to that one? No. So it will be zeros. You will understand it once we reach to one has a move. You will see it now. Next. طبعا. It's matching also. So is there A, B, C, D? You will see it now. So it will be 0 because there is no A, B, C, D. Now look at this one. Step forward. Why is it 1? Because now we have a prefix A. So exactly. So we have prefix A. Now when I match the second one, لاحظوا الآن في A. A is there. So step forward. Is there also B? يعني AB هنا that is now. Is there previous prefix? Is there AB? Yes, no. Is there AB? Okay, so step forward. Yes, BB هنا. Previous there was also, so that's why it is 2. يعني the idea now AB. Is there a prefix AB? Yes, there is AB. Where are the location تبعها اللي هي 1 و 2. So that's why here is 2. Now question to you. Do we have طبعا CD will mismatch for sure, but do we have ABD? Do we have ABD before? Step forward, mismatch. So that's why في failure عندي هنا. So it has to go to the previous one. That's what we did when compare. That is mismatching. So now where should I go? where should I go? Go to the B, where the last one was matching. That is, last one was matching, which is go to 0. So unfortunately, it will be 0. It will be 0. That is the way you build the failure. Now go back to what I did. Go back to what I did اللي هي كانت search. خلاص هذا انتهيت كده search. Now based on that one, now you will understand why is it moving 2, why is it moving 1, why is it moving 0. Repeat. Should I repeat? We did that one, but should we repeat? Failure or that one? Is it? Repeat. Type. Repeat. Now, I built that one based on اللي هو failure function based on A, that is the first one, so there is no أكيد no prefix. B, there is no prefix. C, no prefix. D, no prefix. When I say no prefix, it means is there any things that I can start with here? No, not. So now A1 اللي هي هذه starting one. Next B, so we have AB. Do you know if we have ABC, what will happen? If we have instead of D, we have ABC. Do you know that number should be what? That one should be what? Anyone? Okay, let's see. Let's see. خلينا ننهي النهاية كلها نحط له سي. لا مش هنا عفوا سوري هنا. شوفوا الآن أخواني الكرام أخواتي الكريمات build failure function. بلاي طبعا ياخذها كلها مع بعض سريع ما يحتاج step by step. So 0 0 0 still the same. Okay. D again. Now look at ABC. 1 2 and شفتوا كيف فاهمين انتوا الآن؟ Because we have a string ABC shown before. So that is the prefix matching the suffix. That's why it is 3. That's why it is 3. So أعتقد إن شاء الله أنها clear. Now let's return it back to D. Build again. طبعا تقدروا تخلوها سريعة إذا ما تحبوا تطولوا في وقت فيها. اوكي طبعا رجعناها الآن إلى 0. Now I need to search. Pause. Okay. Now again طبعا لأنه مشيت سريعة I can step it back if you want. Now it will compare A و A matching, B matching, C matching, D and blank empty null not matching. So now since it is not matching, where should I go? How many shifts should I go? Depends on consulting failure function. So I have to go to the failure function. Now the problem was here. So the last one matching is here. So when I consult child 2, because A, B, C, now A, B, C. So now that 0 means what? 0 هنا means what? It will go to the 0. شوفوا هنا step. بس لاحظوا فين حتروح. A will not go to the B. Will go somewhere. Step. Because the failure هنا. So no need now to compare B and C. The failure is here. So now that's why A, which is 0, comes here. Now, nothing. طبعا since it's already the first one, so it will step 1 for sure. لأنه ما في شيء. It cannot go somewhere else. So it will be only 1. Now, A matching, B matching, C matching, D matching, A matching, B matching. All of these are matching. D has a problem. So what is the next step? I'll leave it to you. I will leave it to you. So B matching, C matching, D matching, A matching, B matching. The problem is here now. It's not matching. So where should the next move be? Guess.
A will move to the blank.
Let's see. Now, since there is no thing there, consult the failure function. So I will go and consult there. Now, the last one was right. All of these right, but the last one is B. طب عندنا two B's. هنا we have V, B, but the one is correct اللي هي the second one. A, B, C, D, A, B. A, B, C, D, A, B. So now 2. Which one is 2? Which one is 2? هنا. Which one is 2? 2 means, yeah. So C now, look at C. Look, because that is 2. 2 is the C. So look, C now should go where? الأخت الكريمة قالت it will go to the blank. Let's see. Because the problem was here. I consulted that one. He told me, or it told me اللي هو الفيلر function إنه now start from where you stopped, but starting from 2, based on that one. By the way, it's very, very smart. ليش? Look at the A and B, it's there. So no need to repeat. No need to repeat. حطوا? No need to repeat. So it will start from the C. شفت الفرق الآن بين هذه وهذه؟ It has to go one by one. هنا no. It will go directly to the C. أعتقد الآن خلاص وصلت المعلومة عندكم. So now C blank. What is the next step? Since it's blank, we will consult that one. Now B again, but not that one too, because that is the second one, not that one. So that one will ask me to go to A. So now that one will go where? Start from here. Since I send it to A, which is 0, so A now will go there. Not matching, but there is nothing. That is the first one. So where I cannot go back. I cannot go back. So it will start from here. Wallahi, I don't know. Okay. يعني طبعا if I am the one who will ask, I can tell you مثلا after مثلا that number مثلا او ارسم لك اياها كده يعني back هنا كده عفوا. اي ما يعني لو انا حاط الاسئله ما شفت الاسئله والله ما اعرف كيف، لكن انا يعني myself I might give you the failure function when I will tell you this is the current situation, that is the text, that is the pattern, that is the text, that is the pattern اللي هي الword اللي انا looking for. So now draw it for the next step. طبعا draw it next step انا very clear بالنسبه لي الان ولكم ان شاء الله انه now the problem is here. If I consult the failure, I will consult it for the last one matched. So now شوفوا لاحظوا that is the last one. Since I'm number 2, it will send me to 0. While if I'm here, it will send me to C. So now 0 means A will start from here. So that is the next step. Understand the idea. Don't worry about the questions. Don't worry about the exam. Understand the idea. You can solve it, inshallah, in any way you want. خلاص, now same idea. You will go to the next. Now it will go one by one until it is stopped CD. So what is the next step in the exam now? What is the next step? Mismatching. What is the next step? Anyone?
Moving C.
Okay, so now we will consult the failure. It says that you have a problem here. Number 2, not that one. It is number 1, number here, the second B. So now go to 2. So now it should move C to the place we stopped. صح؟ ارجعوا ريوس. and we stopped here. Now it told me move 2. 2 means that is 2. Based on that one, 2 is the C. So move the C to here, to the place you stopped or you have a problem. So now it will move it there. Alhamdulillah, lucky enough that C is now matching. خلاص, it will just continue now. It's matching. Much clear now, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Any questions related to the string comparisons? أي سؤال، أي استفسار؟ أمور واضحة إن شاء الله؟ نحمد الله ونشكره. Okay, so that is the way these people are working. 3 scientists came up with an algorithm 40 years ago ولا 44 يعني نص قرن من الزمان, and we are still studying. And by the way, you will find some algorithms أنا والله وأنا لسه طالب كنت أدرسها زيكم. ونفس الفانكشن هذه ترى, بس طبعا يعني مش شرط إنه every book will bring every algorithm. No, not necessary يعني. Sometimes the author think والله خلاص why should مثلا أنا أقول يعني okay, why should I waste the time of the students to let them know that one? Naive. Since there is a better one. Since there is a better one. Okay, طيب بس عشان to avoid confusion أنا I use KMB in that one. هي نفس الidea, but here it's starting the first one from -1. So I thought that it will confuse you. It's working fine. Same idea, by the way. Try it, ABC, fail. So it will start from here. نفس الفكرة ترى على فكرة. Okay, then you will go A, B, C, D. نفسها اللي شفتوها من شوية. Fail. So now next time will come A, B. مش سويناها قبل شوية مع بعض. C كانت هنا. So it's same idea until it is matching. هنا still, so it will have a problem here. So we started from where, if you remember? Anyone remember? We started from here because we said A, B already exists. So why should I repeat? نفسها. But because we started from -1, it might confuse you. So I brought that one. إن شاء الله يعني إنها easy. ولا هي نفسها. It's the same. Exactly the same. ما في فرق. أنا أتكلم عن الالغوريثم the same. But if you start from 0, if you start from 1, if you start, and I saw some also websites, okay, they start from هنا, from here. From here, start from here. سمعتوا عن عبد الباري؟ سمعتوا عن عبد الباري؟ ما أعرف إذا مفتوحة لنا هنا ولا لا. للأسف بعض الأشياء هذه مرة ممتازة إذا اللي يحب يطور نفسه في الموضوع هذا. هذا عبد الباري شايفه يوتيوب. اوكي, اذا فتحوا لنا خير وبركه, ما فتحوا خلاص عاد انتم دوروا على عبد الباري BMB algorithm. في واحد اسمه عبد الباري من اشهر الناس اللي في الالجوريثم. لا شكلهم والله ما ادري قافلينها ولا احيانا تكون اختبارات في الجامعه وما عاد ينسوا يرجعوها لنا, وانا ما اهتم صراحه في البيت يعني او عندي لابتوب. عموما واحده من هذه انا هو صورته مره واضحه. هو يعني دكتور هندي بس مره ممتاز ما شاء الله عليه, جدا جدا ممتاز.
شوف يا دكتور عبد الباري فوق.
وصلك عبد الباري؟
فوق ده موجود.
والله ماني فين.
هذا هو.
ايوه الله يحفظك. أيوة. الله بارك الله فيك. هذا عبد الباري. طبعا انا اعتقد انهم قافلين علينا ما تشتغل. اعتقد فعلا شايفينها KMP. هذا المقطع جدا جدا رائع, شوفوه جدا رائع يعني جدا حيفيدكم كثير. تمام, اعتقد انه في على كل حال مش مهم يعني, خلاص انا شرحت لكم اياها ونفس اللي هنا حتلاقوها فكره. هذا يبدا من before. لو شفتوها الان started from not هنا شفناها الان هنا starting from -1 وهنا starting from 0 هو starting from before. اعتقد نفس فكره هذه I think. لا والله في اشياء نعم في some of them not all of time ما له علاقه بمنهجنا هو لكن some of the ideas yes some of the ideas yes. اوكي سو اعتقد انه الامور تمام باذن الله تعالى ما عندكم مشكله. هذا كله شرحنا لكم الان وهاو تو جيت الفيلر وهاو تو جيت هذا وعندكم الموقع هذا وضحت لكم اياها. طبعا الاخت اللي سالتني في البدايه هذه شوفوا الان نفس القصه بس هنا التايم كومبلكسيتي m plus n نفس الفكره. I am searching text within text. I am searching for a word within a text. واحد منهم حليناه في m multiplied by n شوفوا الفرق الكبير والسكند one m plus n. اوكي m plus n الاول كان m multiplied by n. The same problem we solve it as m plus n. Okay, questions so far? Questions so far? Go to the next. خلاص we are done with the KMB. Go to the next. هذا ما اشتغل لسه لحد الان. لا هم عاملين علينا بلوك شكلهم. anyway مش مشكلة. شوفوا انتوا عبد الباري هذا. اوكي؟ اي سؤال اي استفسار؟ كله واضح خلاص؟ لا مو ممنوعات. عبد الله ايش ممنوعات؟ طيب let's go to the next. Binary search. Last meeting we talked about binary search and we said that every time if we are looking for something we will go to the middle. So now if you want to find 7, so you will go to the middle. You have the low and high. You remember that one? You remember that one? So low and high. Go to the middle. And I found that the middle is 8. So 7 equal 8? No. Is it bigger or less? 7 is less. So now forget about all the numbers from 8 to 19. Forget about them because 7 will never be there. Will never be there. 7 somewhere here. Maybe, طبعا, maybe it's not there, but basically 7 will be somewhere. Now, you have new h, which is m minus 1. Ukht Karima, last meeting, she said that. She said now the h is m minus 1. So that is h. Again, compute m again. If you compute m again in the middle, so now you will compare 7 with 3. Is it equal? No. Less or bigger? Bigger. Larger. So 7 will never come here now. Because all the numbers here smaller than 3. All the number here is greater than 7. So maybe we will find 7 somewhere here. So now forget about 0, 1, 3. So now what is L? L is m plus 1. So now L is here. Compute m again. That is m. That is m. 7? No. Less or more? More. Bigger. Larger. So 7 now is here. Okay. What is m? Plus 1. So now m, h, l, they are equal because we have only one. Are you 7? Is it 7? Is it equal to 7? Yes, found. How about if it is not? Khalas. Number is not found. Number is not found. So this is a very quick revision to the binary search. Okay, and we saw that we can find it in تقريبا log n steps. Again, depends on the cases. Yani if I am looking for 0, so it will take longer time. ليش? Because in the sequential, I will start from the beginning. 0, 0, found. But if I'm using binary search, I have to go to the middle. Like in talking in general, it is faster. And you said that last time, for the large list, binary search is very, very fast. Very fast. Binary search tree. We have something called binary search tree. I'll make it easy for you. Do you remember in order وبري-order وبوست اوردر فاكرينها؟ ولا لا تستطيع أن تتذكروا أي شيء؟
يس فاكرينه.
Okay. In order traversal of a binary search visits the keys increasing. طيب. Now I'll make it easy. I'll make it easy and save your time. Now when you talk about binary search trees, you will start locate the numbers in a way that all the numbers to the left smaller, all the numbers to the right larger. Okay, so now that is 6, 2 is less, 9 is bigger. Excellent, working fine. How about 1 and 4? Still less than 6, so it's okay. How about 8? Larger than or greater than 6. Okay, now go to the 2. Now, if you remember when I talked about and explained in order or pre-order, we will deal with that one as a subtree. It is a subtree. Like we will deal with it as a tree now. So 2, left smaller, right larger. So it's working fine. Go to the next. So again, deal with that subtree as 3. So 9 to the left is smaller, to the right nothing. It's fine, no problem. But don't put the A here, مثلا. That will not work because 9 should be what? Less than the number here. هذه ببساطة the idea of the binary search tree. As simple as that. So now you can try so many things. مثلا you are looking for something, you are trying to visit something, so you are searching for 4. You are searching for 4. Where is 4? Now, is it 4? طبعا no. Is it less or greater? 4 is less. So I'm sure that it will be somewhere here. Now, compare it with 2. 4 less or greater? 4 is greater. So we come here. Compare it. Yes, found. طبعا if it is not found, so sorry, 4 does not exist or is not exist in the tree. هذه the idea of the binary search tree. Any comment regarding the binary search tree? I comment فيها. طبعا there are some points now regarding that one. How about if I want to insert a number? I need to insert 5. I need to insert 5. So طبعا very clear enough to all of you, 5 is less than 6. So I cannot put 5 in that one. It has to be here. It has to be here. Same idea. Now in the subtree, 5 or 2. 5 is greater, so will never come here. It should be here because it's greater. I found another sub, that is 4. So 5 is still greater than 4, so will never come here. It should come there. So 5 will be to the right of 4. And again, the rule is still standing. 5 is less than 6, so less than 6. Questions? Any questions so far? So far so good يعني. Okay, طبعا هنا الالgorithm هذا انه you will start doing the same idea. The number you will insert, is it equal, is it less? So then you will decide which one should go. Is it to the left? So if it is not equal, if it is not less, then for sure we'll go to the right child. If it is not less, it has to go to the left. If it is left, عفوا, it has to go to the left. So if it is else, it should go to delete. Delete may be a little bit more difficult. Okay, more difficult. If I need to remove 4, okay, I need to remove 4. See what will happen now. If you remove 4, then you will lose the connection between the root of that subtree and the sub, because now 4 is the child of 2, 5 is the child of 4. So it has to be connected. It has to be connected. هذا المور step that you need to take care about. طيب not difficult لكن يعني it need more job, it need more programming. Okay, now look at this tree. Forget about the shape. Forget about the shape. You have 3 greater, less. 1 and 2 less than 3. تمام? And then all the numbers here are greater than 3. 8, 6, 9, 5. Also, M, 8, 6 and 5 smaller than 8, 9 greater than 8. So it's working fine. Now I need to remove 3. I need to remove 3. 3 is the root. كأنك remove 6 هنا. It's like you are removing number 6 here. So if I remove 6, what will happen? If I remove 3, what will happen? يلا. Look at it. Anyone?
كلها صح؟
يلا أنت explain it to me وللothers. Go ahead. صح كلامك صحيح ترى. If you remove, it's same idea. If I remove 4, then there should be connection. ولا ال 5 lost. The 5 will be lost. يعني it's like you are deleting a folder and all subfolders. If you delete a folder هذا, by default it will delete all the subfolders. Agree with me ولا لا? You agree? توافقني يا أخي؟
ايوه معك.
ممتاز. ما حسألك خلاص، أنا عارفك ما أبغى أسألك خلاص. أوكي.
دكتور أقول أنا؟
يس إذا ما يبغى هو أنت خلاص توكلي. ها تاخذ عنك؟ خلاص موافق. يلا توكلي على الله. Go ahead.
نشوف الرقم اللي بعد رقم 3 يكون أكبر منه، وفي الناحية الثانية يكون السبروت يكون أصغر، واللي على اليمين يكون أكبر.
Exactly. هي الرول إنه all the left should be what and all the right should be what. So if let's say إنه we remove 3. Now there is 8. نحن we have no relation with that one. هي الريليشن 3 كانت مع ال 8. So if we lose that connection خلاص we lost the whole tree unfortunately. كلها راحت خلاص. وهذيلا since I deleted 3, so 1 is lost, 2 is lost. Okay? So now what is the solution? We'll take care about that one. Now, if you said Shaikhan, so easy, so easy. Link 8 to the 1 and 2. So easy. Link 8 to the 1 and 2. طيب, let's go. Let's do it. Think about it. إنه والله خلاص إنه ال A راحت, ال 3 gone, و that is 1 و 2 will be to the 8. Is it holding or not?
No, because the 6 is less than 8.
Exactly. Exactly. يعني لو أنا شلت ال 1 هذه وحطيتها في ال 8 هنا. تمام؟ وشلت هذه خلاص حتروح طبعا حتتلغي. اوكي؟ واخذت هذه وحطيتها هنا. هذا كان سؤالكم او هذا كان الحل. Now see what will happen. All the numbers to the left smaller, 1 or 2 smaller, excellent. All the numbers to the right larger. No, 6 is not larger. 5 it is not larger. تفقين معايا ولا لا؟ Is it clear ولا لا؟
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear. So the rule says any numbers to the should be larger. طبعا هذه it has to be reallocated. ما ينفع 3 because it is a binary. Okay, I'm saying all of them now to the right, all of them to the left. So it has to be fixed. So that one will not work. خليني ارجعها عشان اخاف احفظ الملف وانا طالع. السنه الجايه حتورط. حلاقي شيء جديد. اوكي yes هنا now 8 will not work, 6 will not work, 9 will not work, 5 will be the best one. And if I move 5, then all the numbers to the left are smaller, 5 all the numbers to the right are greater, 8 نفس الشيء, all the numbers to the left smaller, all the numbers to the right greater. So now it's working excellent. So instead of 3 it will be 5, not 8. not 8. شكرا لكم الاثنين. questions, any questions, اي doubts عندكم؟ طبعا هنا البرفورمانس depends again on the algorithm وكذا, ولكن at the end العفو الله يبارك فيك. okay at the end here depends on the case. ممكن يكون all the numbers larger, ممكن يكون half وهكذا. فدي تعتمد على اشياء كثيره جدا, تعتمد على الهايت اكثر شيء. Thank you very much. Any questions, any concerns you have, anything you want to share with me? في شيء عندكم شاغلكم؟